Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today McGregor and Quinn and I are learning about combinations. It's a way of thinking about multiplication. Sometimes we call it Cartesian product. A really fun book to go with this idea is the Sundae Scoop by Stuart J. Murphy. Now in this story, the kids at the school want to have a booth at the school festival, and they want to sell sundaes, ice cream sundaes. And so they decide together what they should have, if they should have lots and lots and lots of choices or limit it a little bit. And they decide to go with either vanilla or chocolate ice cream, listen McGregor, hot fudge or caramel, and sprinkles or nuts. And then they figure out all of the different combinations that the kids could choose with these sundae toppings and ice creams, right? Mm-hmm. And throughout the story, so they run out of things, like they run out of sprinkles and that kind of stuff, and then you can figure out that there are fewer combinations possible. But my idea for following up with this comes from the back pages of the Stuart J. Murphy book. He's really awesome about putting some extra ideas in the back of math ideas you can do. And this one is called Getting Dressed. And in this little scenario, you have some school shopping to do, and you can buy 2 pairs of shoes. So here's my 2 pairs of shoes. Pretty good drawing, huh? Drawing helps. And 4 shirts. There's the 4 shirts. And 2 pairs of pants. So it looks like that. Okay, there's the 2 pairs of shoes, the 4 shirts, and the 2 pairs of pants, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see them? And we can count all of the different combinations to figure out this. Many different outfits that you can make, or you can use multiplication, but the idea is that kids can develop the idea of a combinations kind of algorithmic idea based on drawing the picture and talking about it. So even with just 2 pairs of shoes and 4 shirts and 2 pairs of pants
and no underwear.
No underwear were involved in this story. 16 different outfits. That's pretty good shopping, you guys. And I hope you're having a fun time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Give this little storybook a chance and try out this activity. Thanks.